Children, good morning. Welcome to online classes of social studies. Okay, so lastly we have completed up to atmosphere. We have seen among the four layer we have completed up to the third layer, that is atmosphere. Still some points are left. Let's continue with that. Now we have seen that the ratio of the gases in the atmosphere, that nitrogen is 78.3%, oxygen 20.99%, argon 0.94%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, and other gases is 0.01%. Okay. Now as we go above the earth's surface, ratio of most of the gases in the atmosphere decreases. When we are moving from earth's surface to other gases, what? The ratio of these gases are decreasing. These gases are mostly present in atmosphere, but if we go higher than this, the changes may be there. Okay. Now, since carbon dioxide is heavy gas, it is done in the lower strata of the air and decreases in the above strata. So carbon dioxide is a heavy gas. So if it is in lower strata, means if above the atmosphere this have to go, then what? The carbon dioxide ratio will be decreases, and if below the atmosphere, then the ratio it is increases. The presence of carbon dioxide after the height of about 20 km, where it decreases. The presence of carbon dioxide after the height of 20 km means above the height of the 20 km it is changes. Oxygen after the height of 10 km, so oxygen is also changes after 10 km. Carbon dioxide is changes after 20 km from the atmosphere. 110 km oxygen after 110 km, carbon dioxide after 20 km, and nitrogen after the approximate height of 130 km is seen decreasing. So what decreasing? Means the ratio of it is decreasing. If it is going on higher strata, then the ratio it is decreasing. Oxygen we have seen that 110 km, nitrogen that is 130 km approximate. At the high altitudes there are only light gases like hydrogen and helium. So what in the base, what is this? The lighter gas will be that are hydrogen and helium. See here in the picture that this is what? First it is nitrogen gas, it is 130 km in decreasing. Then it is oxygen, then carbon dioxide, and here what will be there? Hydrogen and helium. The ratio of ozone gas in the atmosphere is very less. So ozone proportion is very less compared to nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other things. Then the gas mostly prevails in the open ground. This gas absorbs ultraviolet rays of sun and protect the planet from the excessive heat of the sun. So what the ozone is doing? Ozone is very less in atmosphere. The main work is that it absorbs the gas, ultraviolet rays of sun and protect the planet from the excessive heat of the sun. So you have seen, you have heard about that ozone layer is getting big hole in that. Why? Because of the pollution over the here. We are using AC, and that what? CFC gas is that, right? And in refrigerator also this gas is there. So this, how many people are using this gases in our planet, right? So these all gases and this all pollution are going to that ozone layer. So what? Ozone layer is now becoming little bit tiny. It is found that there is a big hole in the ozone layer, so that only now and then rain is coming, now and then you can feel very cold. So why? Ozone layer work is that to protect the ultraviolet rays from the sun. But now not many but everywhere pollution is there. So what is happening? This all the gases are going to the ozone layer, right? So what? Their big hole is there, and now it is not protecting more by the ultraviolet rays. So the ultraviolet rays directly fall on our skin. So sometimes skin burn also happen. Very much you can feel heat like that. This is the causes of an ozone layer. This gas mostly prevents in the open ground at the time of the early morning. So where it is open ground, where the ground is open, it is present then in the early morning. In the same way, its ratio is more in the air around the seashore. So around the seashore the ratio will be the more, and in the open ground you can see in the early morning. That is why people go for morning walk in such place, because ozone is healthier gas. So why morning walk is considered as the best walk? One of the reason is that the ozone layers is present in the morning, and in the open ground we can feel that. Second one is that it is present near the seashore. So this gas is very healthier for our health. So the morning walk people go, right? Now think, why do mountains carry oxygen bottles while climbing a mountain? While do mountaineers carry, those who are climbing the mountain, they are mountaineers, carry oxygen bottle while climbing a mountain? So as we have studied that if the gas is at the present strata, if it is going in the higher strata, the level is decreasing. So what mountain is there? It is very big. So at some level the oxygen will get. But if it is going high, the oxygen level will be decreasing. So only they are climbing a mountain. Oxygen bottles, okay? Due to the various particles in the atmosphere, sunlight seems spreading on the earth. So it does not become dark or bright suddenly. So why the sunlight is falling directly? Sunlight you can see that sometimes it is dark or light. But due to the particles is there, they will refract that shadow. So it is falling. And it is not become easily dark or bright. Sky colors of a dawn before sunrise and dark after sunset are because of the dust particle. So these are the reason for the sunrise and sunset. The rays are reflected through the dust particles and we get sunlight. So sunlight how will get? Directly not from the sun, about the dust particle around us which give us sunlight. Sound can be heard with the medium of atmosphere. The waves of sound and light are reflected in the atmosphere and return to the earth's surface, so that the transmission of radio and television become possible. So if you have gone in a visiting place, that is, you can feel sometimes the sound, little bit sound of air, right? So this is why, because of the mediums of atmosphere, and the waves of sound and lights are reflected in the atmosphere. So the waves and sound are coming, that are reflected. So if we go in open place and speak our name, it will come back to us. Why? So this is the reason that it is reflected, so that the transmission of radio and television become possible. So due to the sound and light only we can get our television and radio. Heavenly objects such as meteors burn due to the friction of atmosphere and get damaged. Due to friction means handling some of meteors, it will become what? Damage to the meteors. The atmosphere prove as a natural shield for the earth. So it is also that then we can survive. So it is prove as a natural shield of the earth. Now the next one is biosphere. The part of environment like lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere, wherever living being is seen alive, is called biosphere. So what is this biosphere? It is inclusion of all three: a lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. So this is known as an all three living being is seen alive is known as biosphere. Okay. Biosphere is comprised of variety of life forms. This life sphere includes human, vegetation and animal life. So those are alive, human being or vegetation or animal life, anything, they are included in the biosphere. Living being on the earth's surface gets food from biosphere. Organism of biosphere provide variety of foods and raw material to the human world. So raw material like vegetables and all the things is that we are getting from it. Thus existence and subsistence of human life is based on biosphere. So all these four things are needed to live a life, to survive. Okay, and biosphere is there so that the existence and subsistence is there. But all four are equal only. Okay. The last point is remaining, that we will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you.